Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold below the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that head over here, which is a descending channel to the lower side, and after seeing the breakout to the lower side, we have continued pushing even lower and also fully maximized our red target area in the formation of that wave 4 in a move that has now given us a low at around the $4.9 mark. And after seeing the formation of this fourth wave come to a complete, whatever I'm expecting next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2. And after fully maximizing it, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which peaked at around the $4.2 mark. And after peaking in the formation of that wave 3, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that lies between the $5.2151 mark and the $4.8397 mark, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized, making our low at around the $4.9 mark. And I now believe that Apecoin has done the minimum that we expected this fourth wave to the lower side to do, and there are chances that very soon we are going to start that bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6474 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that fifth wave to the upside to do. And because the wave 5 is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target area to the upside in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 5. And for that move to also play out, we also need to see other confirmations, and the very first move that we can first expect is a break above the 20-day MA. So we need to get above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and once that plays out, that could trigger an explosive move to the upside to give us a break above the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. And once we manage to break above the $6 mark, then I'll be expecting a retest before we continue pushing even higher to get to the next key area of resistance at around the $6.35 mark. And once we manage to break above other key areas of resistances, then there are chances that Apecoin might continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term scenarios. I'm expecting that soon we are going to see a reversal, continue pushing higher, get above the 20-day MA, get above the $6 mark, and also continue pushing higher to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and that is after doing the minimum that we expected this fourth wave to the lower side to do by retracing fully into our red target area in the formation of that wave 4, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we have managed to get into the overbought region since we are trading at around the 25 mark, and that means we don't have room for us to support lower movements here on the RSI. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that's the reason as to why you can see we are seeing a massive pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and there are chances that soon we are going to see a reversal also on the indicators to indicate that we are going to start seeing higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.